What's up? Ooh, girl. My bomb and subscriber squad. Hey, hey. What's happening, party people? Welcome to the party. Your girl is back. I'm happy to be back. I missed the hell out of y'all, and y'all know that. What's up, y'all? How y'all doing? How y'all been, girl? I'm feeling okay now that my insurance adjuster is coming. It's been a time trying to get them here, girl. Anywho, today, loves, on the platter we have the BoxyCharm Premium Box. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I have in September's box, you know what to do. Don't move. Sit your ass right there. Oh, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Okay, guys, so as I said, welcome. I am Tonyanicole, and welcome to my bomb-ass unboxing world. We're going to be doing BoxyCharm's Premium Box for the month of September. Make sure you check out my base box that went up Tuesday. It was a hot mess, girl. I'm just thinking about canceling BoxyCharm in January. I don't know. But before I go any further, I want to shout out my 5 first commenters from Tuesday's video. Thank you guys so much for rocking with your girl. I greatly appreciate you all dearly. Now, today we're going to be doing premium. I don't have a drink. Well, I have a little Coke Zero. So we could take a dance break and a drink break. I don't have any alcohol yet, guys. Girl, I'm trying to change my ways. This is the premium box. This one is $35 per month. You get 6 full-size products in this box with an average range around, I think, $175. I do have a link down below if you guys want to sign up for BoxyCharm. I do appreciate everyone that has used my BoxyCharm link and signed up for BoxyCharm. Thank you guys so much. So yes, love, I also have a playlist down below that I will link for you guys to check out the past unboxings to see my love-hate relationship with BoxyCharm, because it's been boo. Yes, these are all purchase boxes from me, so you getting a real honest opinion, boo. So without further ado, hey, let's get this box on and poppin', boo. A dance break and a drink break. Right. We got our little box cutter. I ain't even opened this little baby yet. Let's see. Blue box equals premium box. That's what we're looking like on the inside. We sit her on down. We got a little paper here. They don't even give us the little foam anymore. We have a card. Oh, they gave us 2 cards, girl. And the theme for the month is BTS right here on the back. Okay, it's the same card. They give me a list of products with the variation number. I'll give you guys all of that towards the end of the video. Let me get a little closer so y'all can see me. And we gonna start, boo. Yeah. All right, so first up on the platter, what is this? We have from Verb, and this is the Ghost Oil. This is a Sudin Moringa blend weightless hair oil right here. That's what it's looking like, and we do get 60 milliliters of product in here. Let's go in and just open it. This is a weightless hair oil that revitalizes strands from the roots to the end. It's powered by Moringa, I don't know what that is, oil. This blend works to hydrate and fight frizz. It's proven to enhance shine by 75%. And yeah, this retails for $18, my loves. I haven't heard of this product before, but an $18 product and a premium and a, I don't know. It's like a little, like a serum. Doesn't really have like a, well, it has like a hair grease type of smell. And it's just like, you know, I guess a frizz control. Okay. I don't know. Okay, I'll probably use this, but okay, $18 for this hair oil. So our next product is from Complex Culture. This is the Sonic T-Bar Facial Massager right here. And y'all know Complex Culture is an Ipsy brand. So now we've seen it in BoxyCharm. Okay. And I've seen this before in one of Ipsy's boxes. It's just this little face roller thing, the T-Bar they call it, like that. I'm not going to touch it because I will be putting this in a future giveaway. Yeah, this is good to put in the fridge and roll it all over your face and your neck, trying to get those wrinkles rolled out. All right, y'all, and this right here retails for $58, $58, girl. All right, boo. It better come with some kind of serum in it so when I rub that ball, something come out of it, right? Ooh, that didn't sound good. Ooh, excuse me. I'm sorry. All right, next product up is from Bloom Effects. This is the Tulip Dew Mist, Hydrating Mist. What is this? This is what it looks like right here. And you get 80 milliliters of product. Let me read this real quick. So this is a multitasking face mist that delivers a brightening boost of antioxidants, plant extracts, and vitamin B3, C, D, and E to revitalize, refresh, and energizes. Okay. It's designed to work as a humectant. Girl, what is that? To prevent moisture loss, plus it's formulated with environmentally conscious BOV technology. All right, perfect on bare skin over makeup or throughout the day as an awakening skin pick-me-up. This is a new launch and it retails for $34. I am gonna spray it. I don't know. Okay, it's like a watery type mist. Okay, this would be good for summertime and we're going into fall, my favorite. So I don't know about this, y'all. I mean, y'all heard of this before? $34? I don't know. Okay. All right, so 3 products in and no makeup yet. All right, so next up we have from Tarte, and this is the Glow. Girl, I don't know what this is. Y'all can see that? Glotation? I don't know. This says, get a lift from within look with this instant complexion perfector that's inspired by magical glow effect of bioluminescence. It gives a natural luminous glow to the skin with pearls that reflect light to blur imperfection. It's a 4-in-1 complexion perfector that works to prime and extend your makeup wear, hide imperfections, glow, and brighten. This is $32. I've never heard of this before, but it's a 4-in-1. All right, let's see. I don't know about all these. I don't know where they're getting this from. That's what the little bottle looks like. A nice little chubby bottle. You get, how much in here? 1.3 fluid ounces of product. Does have a safety seal, so I won't open it. I'll probably get some use out of this, but like I told you guys, $32. All right, we're 4 products in and still no makeup, but I'm gonna give y'all my choice product now, and it comes from Fenty. It is the, what is this called? The Snap Shadow Mix and Match Eyeshadow Palette. It is a game-changing portable eyeshadow palette of 6 rich, blendable shades in a range of matte to shimmer shades. Snap together any 2 palettes to double your collection while keeping it perfectly compact. All right, that'll be $12 at the palm of your hands. This retails for $25. I know I picked the smoky one. I know this was released like last year, I think. Yeah, I've been wanting to try them, and when I saw it was available as a choice item, I just had to get it. So, ooh, and this is beautiful, girl. We got a mirror. Hey, love. All right, and let me put this over so it doesn't blind you guys. These are the shades right here. Absolutely gorgeous. Nice, definitely smoky eye palette. I love it. They got a shimmer shade, look like a glittery shade, matte shades. I love it. I'm not gonna swatch it because I don't know when I'm gonna use this, or I might give it away, but this one is 25 buckaroos, my loves. All right, and our last product is a palette. Oh, I never said that for the Fenty one. I'm losing it, y'all. And this is from Beauty Bakery. This is the Milk and Honey palette, which I think I have already. I don't know where it's at because there's so much stuff in here, y'all. So much. But I know I've received this before. Someone's calling. Please hold. This is the palette right here, and I know I've received this before. I did do a Beauty Bakery mystery box unboxing. If you have not seen that, please check it out. But that's what it looks like, my loves. And when we open it, it doesn't have a mirror. Maybe I didn't get this palette. I don't know. But these are the shades. They're gorgeous. A nice pink, brown, like an orange color, and like a, I guess that's like a champagne type color. I don't know, but this is a beautiful palette. Definitely all skin tone friendly. Love it. Pretty, pretty, pretty. And I don't know what this retails for. Let me look and see real quick. So this one is $38. All right, so that was our final product in this month's BoxyCharm Premium. We're gonna do a quick recap, final thoughts, and we're gonna be done. So we received from Bloom Effects this Dewy Mist Facial Spray. From Complex Culture, this T-Bar Massager. From Verb, this Ghost Oil Frizz Control Hair Serum. From Tarte, this Glowtation Skin Perfector. From Fenty, this palette here. And from Beauty Bakery, this highlighting palette. So these 6 products here, my loves. All right, so when I added everything up, my total was $205, which my base box total was $198. Okay. Variation is letter C, 210-9214/PM. That's the variation I got. All right, let's do final thoughts because I'm ready, boo. Final thoughts on this month's box was, again, I was not really impressed. The only thing I'm happy about would be these 2 products here, these 2 palettes. Everything else, the dewy spray, the hair serum, the skin perfector, the T-bar, I'm not really feeling it. I think this was a dud as well. I would give this probably a 2 on a scale of 1 to 5 because we're about to throw this to the damn fire. I don't know, y'all. I was not feeling this box either. September was a sucky month for BoxyCharm. October is looking like it's going to be, so I'm thinking in January I'm going to be canceling the premium box. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you got in your box. Am I tripping? Am I being too harsh? Please let me know. If you have not done so, please subscribe to our family. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like this kind of content from your girl. Follow me on all social media. That will be linked down below, as well as the BoxyCharm link. Yeah, boo. And I will talk to you guys in the comments and on my next video. I love you dearly. Bye, loves.